Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Byte Boost. I hope you all are doing good. In the last video, we have covered the formula VLOOKUP versus XLOOKUP, which one you can use. So if you haven't watched that video, the link has been given above. You can check out that video. And in this video, we are going to talk about how you can use specific column from your huge data. But before to that, if you are new to this channel, you haven't subscribed, press the bell icon and subscribe. Whenever we will upload the video, you will get the notification, and we are uploading videos daily. And without any further delay, let's jump into the topic. So as you can see on the screen, there is the table. So from this table we are going to select some particular column, so which I have already highlighted, that is segment, country, and sales and profit. So how we can select these columns? So simply what you have to do is you simply select your table. So let's say I have selected the table, and from this data you have to select from the table range. So once you will select, it will select your table range and click OK. So it will take you to the Power Query editor. So now once this table will appear in this Power Query, we can remove the columns, which columns we need or which columns we don't want. So simply I want this segment, I want country, so product I don't want it, so let me remove this column from here. And I also don't want this column. Unit sold, no, I don't want it. And manufacturing, no. Sales price, I just want to keep it, and the gross sales I want to keep it for my report. So other than this values I don't want it, so I'll remove this columns. And now you can select, as you can see here, this close and load option it is reflecting. So there is two option, close and load. What it will do is it will create the table in the same Excel sheet, or if you want to close and load to the different sheet, you can use the second one. So I'm using the second one. I would like to load this table to the different sheet. So now you can use this new worksheet. As you can see here, it is showing table, or you can use as a pivot chart or pivot table report. So simply I just want a table. So once you will click OK, it will take you to the different sheet. And as you can see here, the columns which we have selected: segment, country, sales price, and gross sales. So now we do have this table. Now this table is in the form of this you can say pivot table or table range. So I don't want this table in the table range, so I wanted to remove this. So simply what you can do is, as you can select anywhere, and as you can see here, convert to ranges. I just don't want this in the table format, I want to convert into the range. So once you will convert, so as you can see here, this will permanently remove the query definition from the sheet and convert the table to the normal range. So I will click OK. So now this is the normal table I got from this huge data. So I hope you understood how you can select specific column from the huge data to prepare a report. So now if you have any queries, any doubt, you can simply write on the comment section. As soon as possible, we will try to answer you. Stay tuned with the Byte Boost. Till that time, take care. Bye bye.